What's going on, guys? It's been a minute. Anyway, this is my new daily driver. Picked it up from this old boy, all original. It's an 87 Wrangler, fully loaded. Power windows, lock, tilt, cruise, the whole works. So anyway, well, you can see it's got some rust and stuff, but I'm gonna give it a little more love. So let me show you guys without the jibber jabber. I hate them videos with them long talking people with that BS. Anyway, let me show y'all how to do a little bit of the patina. All right. So what I do is I take my 180. You just take your time. You ain't no rush. And what you want to do is like them little areas like that. So I'm gonna show you just like that. You know, your spots where the sun's gonna hit it. I just hit my 180 like that. That's all it is. Up in the corners and stuff like that. Right there. All right. Then I come in with my fine Scotch-Brite. Get it nice and smooth. Right there. I get that right. I got them boys in the back doing some work, but. So what you want to do? I come back in here now, light again, and that's it, right? And so that's how you heat it up. All your spots or whatever. If you want it down here, you can do the same. I just take the long block and I hit them up here like that. And that's gonna bring out that paint that's sitting on the bottom there. See that? You can go wider. You know, it's the same. You can use this wide block like this, right up in here. And that's the cut. And if your paint's still good, like this, you can cut and polish this. So take a look at that. And I use Ultimate, man. This is McGuire's. This shit is good. I don't care what nobody says. This is good. Look at this. I'm gonna give you guys a little cut right here. And that's what she looks like. You can tell that McGuire's takes out a lot of that oxidation, man. And that's what she looks like, man. You didn't need no clay coat or none of that stuff. And that's it. You can tell, you know. And then you just go back over again. One little pass right here. That's it, man. You can tell the difference from here to here. And that's all it is. That's all I do. Remember, this channel, we just having fun. That's it. Y'all stay tuned. Subscribe, like, comment. Appreciate y'all. Be safe out there.